Good day, everyone. Please, I want you all to look at this scenario together with me. Imagine the police enters into your apartment to arrest you, and they said that at exactly 6 p.m. on the 14th of January 2026, you were part of the armed robbers that robbed around Oshodi. And immediately you said to them that at that particular date, 14th day of January 2026, I was not even in Nigeria. I was in Japan. That defense or that statement you made under the law is known as defense of alibi. And let me explain. You see, the defense of alibi is one of the best defense and one of the most beautiful defense when it comes to criminal liability. And what exactly is defense of alibi? Defense of alibi is an exculpatory defense, which means immediately you pay that defense of alibi, you will be exculpated. You will not even have any liability at all. It is different from mitigating defense. A important thing to consider about defense of alibi is that it has to be raised timelessly. You have to give particulars of the alibi, which means where exactly you are, who you are with, and what exactly you are doing at that particular place. So the defense of alibi, as I've said earlier, means at that particular time when they said the offense was committed, you were not even near the scene of the event or near the scene of the crime, making it practically impossible for you to have committed the offense. So someone said you committed this offense around the Ikeja, and you said at that particular day that you're talking about, I was not even in Nigeria. So it will be practically impossible for me to have committed that offense. This can only avail offenses that deals with physical presence. Of course, when it comes to the offense of cybercrime, you don't necessarily have to be in Nigeria to commit cybercrime. With the help of internet, you can commit cybercrime anywhere in the world. But this deals with offense that's going to be impossible for you to have committed if you were not there or if you were not at the scene of the crime. So, in essence, the defense of alibi is just saying that as at the time when you said I've committed this offense, I was not near the scene of the crime, and it will be impossible for me to have committed this offense. Another thing to note about defense of alibi is that it has to be raised timelessly, and the reason for this is that the police has to investigate such alibi. So if it is raised in the court or at later time and not raised timelessly, it will deprive the police of the ability to investigate such alibi, and as such, the alibi would not avail the defendant.